Hi there, this is Patrick for the Open Internet Metaverse. Alex and I built this app with the premise in mind that the internet already is a form of metaverse and we just need to make it 3D instead of building new closed virtual worlds. So we invite anybody who wants to get creative and truly own their virtual home to try out Open Internet Metaverse. You are not locked behind some corporate metaverse here, but it's truly open and decentralized as it's all running on chain and it works like the web, just in 3D. You have true ownership over your spaces because they are minted as NFTs on the internet computer. And so hopefully everybody can easily set up their presence in this metaverse. It's free and it's easy to access these websites because you literally have this URL that you can share and go to see the space. You can also connect your spaces. So, for example, this is a portal to another web space I own, and in that way, build up your own virtual neighborhood. So, please unleash your creativity, and together, let's build this new metaverse. Here's a quick overview of what you can do with the Open Internet Metaverse app. You would start off on the Create page here at the app, and this really gets you started quickly with a few options we have here: nature setting, island setting, the space setting we just saw, but you can also get started with your own files. For example, a 3D model, an image, a video, and you can also set them as 360 degrees, as I've done here. So this is a video. I set it as 360 degrees and get this preview that I can now create as a new space, which mints it as an NFT and will give you a new space listed here where you can see your spaces and you can then go ahead and view them. So this is the space we were in earlier, this one. This is my space. I have this unique URL I can go to and can check it out here. I can also easily share this with others to come here and see what I created. Now, as the owner of the space, I've got extra options. I can connect it to different neighbors. I can change the metadata, so that's what visitors would see. And I can even edit the space. So I can change how different objects here look, how they are being displayed, but I can also add items to the space from a library by uploading them. So, for example, images, videos, but also 3D models. And I can also change the environment, for example. Instead of having this moon setting, it could be something else. When we hit Save My Changes, then they actually get persisted to the internet computer. Everything is running on chain. And that way we can really, in real time, update our spaces. Now we built the Open Internet Metaverse on the internet computer because, as far as we know, it's the only way to truly make it open and decentralized, as the internet computer adds a computation and storage layer to the internet and thus is natively integrated with the web. So we use it to host everything. So this is truly a metaverse hosted on chain. A few words on how we build it. You can find the code here and take a look at the repository. And we've really got 3 canisters running, one for the backend written in Motoko, the front end that we just saw, and this integration with the web protocol, which is really a graph database that we use to connect the different spaces as virtual neighbors. Now, the front end is a Svelte app, and it integrates well with the framework we're using to render the 3D spaces, which is A-frame. So we've got an example here. This HTML file with the A-frame scene defined here really gives us the space we just saw here. So it's one file of HTML that does all of that. And so we're standing on the shoulders of giants here. Well, if any of this was interesting to you, again, we invite you to unleash your creativity and build this metaverse with us. Thank you and see you soon.